Hi everyone, everything I'm about to explain has been checked and confirmed by the mechanics here at the shop, so don't worry. We'll go step by step. When the message Service Safety Restraint System pops up, the first thing most people think is, great, the airbags are broken and this is going to be expensive. But relax. Most of the time it doesn't mean the airbags are actually damaged. It usually means the system detected something unusual and decided to go into precaution mode. To make it simple, this system controls everything related to safety: airbags, seat belts, impact sensors, and communication between modules. If just one of those sends a strange signal, the whole system gets nervous and turns the warning on, even if the car still drives perfectly fine. Now here's the interesting part. The most common cause isn't a broken part at all. Many mechanics at this shop agree that the issue often comes from connectors under the seats. With normal movement, vibrations, moisture, or even someone accidentally kicking them, those connectors can loosen a bit. When that happens, the system thinks something is wrong. That's why in many cases, simply checking, cleaning, and securing those connectors makes the warning disappear like magic. Following that, another very common culprit is the passenger seat occupancy sensor. If the car can't properly detect whether someone is sitting there, it goes into protection mode. This happens a lot on slightly older models. Sometimes it doesn't need a full replacement. Just recalibration or adjustment can fix it. Now, if all of that checks out, the next thing to look at is the car battery. Yes, it sounds simple, but a weak, old, or unstable battery can drive the safety system crazy. Many people notice the warning right after changing the battery or when the battery is starting to fail. Once the battery is replaced or fully charged, the problem often disappears completely. And here's something important: the error doesn't always stay stored in the system. Sometimes you scan the car and everything looks perfect, but the message comes back later. That's because some faults are intermittent and only show up when the car vibrates, moves, or hits certain conditions. That's why many mechanics recommend scanning the car while the warning is actually active. There are also cases where the issue is electronic rather than mechanical. The SRS control module can get stuck with an old error that doesn't clear easily. In those situations, a more advanced scanner that can access the airbag module is needed to properly reset it. And here's something most people don't know. Weather can play a role too. Humidity, heavy rain, extreme cold, or extreme heat can make the system more sensitive and trigger the warning as a precaution. Many times, after driving for a while or once the weather stabilizes, the message goes away on its own. So before you panic or spend a lot of money, remember, most of the time this issue is minor and fixable. A quick check of connectors, battery condition, and a proper scan can save you a lot of stress and a lot of cash.